for the first time, the Maverick gonna ask the unpopular question. Why do Jamaican schools and other institutions continue to incur major expenses by sending teams to the Penn relays? Why? Yes, it's a long-time tradition and blah, blah, blah. But in terms of real value to the bigger picture, what do the Penn relays offer to elite level talent coming out of Jamaica? We can understand it being a vacation and a big carnival atmosphere for the athletes and their friends and family. But in terms of a serious developmental strategy, is attending the Penn relays in 2026 anywhere near as important as it was in the 70s, 80s, and 90s when athletes needed pens to get scholarships? Those dynamics have shifted significantly, and the importance of the Penn relays have dwindled in the wider scheme of things. Yes, yes, yes. In the wider, not the housing scheme, but in the wider scheme.